Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about a problem that we got from 2021 JEE exam. In this problem we have log 2 in base 3, log 2 to the power of x minus 5 in base 3, and log 2 to the power of x minus 7 over 2 in base 3, and these values are in arithmetic progression. We want to find x. Before moving forward to talk about the solution, make sure that you pause the video to think about the problem. Before talking about the solution, let's review what arithmetic progression means. In mathematics, we say that we have an arithmetic progression for a sequence of numbers if the difference between these sequence terms is constant. As you see here, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and 15 are in arithmetic progression because the difference between two consecutive terms here is 2. With that, let's talk about the solution. Here we have 3 terms, and these 3 terms are in arithmetic progression. So the difference between the second and the first should be equal to the difference between the third and the second. If we use this equation and simplify it, we are going to end up with 2 times log of 2 to the power of x minus 5 in base 3 is equal to log of 2 to the power of x minus 7 over 2 in base 3 plus log of 2 in base 3. From here, we are going to use some identities. Remember, n times log of a in base b is equal to log of a to the power of n in base b. We also know that log of x in base b plus log of y in base b is equal to log of xy in base b. If we use these two identities, we can finalize the left hand side as log of 2 to the power of x minus 5 squared in base 3, and on the right hand side we are going to have log of 2 times 2 to the power of x minus 7 over 2 in base 3. After this simplification, we only have log in base 3. These two sides should be equal. So we can put 2 to the power of x minus 5 squared is equal to 2 times 2 to the power of x minus 7 over 2. Now, if we simplify these equations, we are going to have 2 to the power of x squared plus 25 minus 10 times 2 to the power of x is equal to 2 times 2 to the power of x minus 7. This is based on identity that we know a minus b to the power of 2 is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2 times a times b. Interestingly, we can write this equation as a product of two terms. The first term is going to be 2 to the power of x minus 4, and the second term is going to be 2 to the power of x minus 8. This equation is 0, so 2 to the power of x is equal to 4 or 8. For each case, we can find the value that we can have for x. Obviously, there are two possible cases for x, and x can be 2 or 3. If we pick 2, then you can see that 2 to the power of x minus 5, which is one of the numbers that we have inside log, is going to be negative, which is not acceptable. The only answer that we have is x is equal to 3. To wrap up, let's summarize what we've done to solve this problem. We had 3 terms in arithmetic progression. Since these terms are in arithmetic progression, then the difference between the second term and the first term is equal to the difference between the third term and the second term. We use this notation to simplify the equation and find the final answer. Thanks for watching the video. If you would like to see more puzzles and math involved activities, please subscribe to the channel.